Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'll guide you through writing an effective abandonment letter that is professional, concise, and ensures a clear and formal resolution. You should begin your abandonment letter by including your name, address, email, phone number, and the date at the top. Next, add the recipient's details, including their name and address. Below that, include a clear subject line stating notice of abandonment. Start the letter with a formal salutation, addressing the recipient by name. After that, write, "This letter serves as formal notice regarding the abandonment of property contract position effective date. Despite multiple attempts to reach you and provide opportunities for resolution, your prolonged absence and lack of communication have led us to conclude that you have voluntarily abandoned the property responsibility agreement. As a result, we are proceeding with the necessary actions to finalize this matter per applicable policies and regulations. Please consider this as the final notice regarding this issue. If you have any concerns or wish to discuss this matter further, you must contact us no later than deadline date. Failure to respond will confirm the abandonment, and we will proceed accordingly. Kindly return any relevant items, documents, or assets associated with this matter by the specified date to avoid further complications. Sincerely, your name, your position, if applicable, company organization name, if applicable." Here's our sample abandonment letter. You'll notice how it clearly communicates the abandonment issue, specifies the relevant dates, and outlines any necessary actions required from the recipient. The letter maintains a professional and formal tone while ensuring clarity in conveying the consequences of non-response. By following this format step by step, you can create a clear and effective abandonment letter that addresses the situation appropriately. This letter serves as a formal notice to confirm the abandonment and any further steps needed. And with that, I end this video. If you found it helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on drafting professional letters.